animal research, it's really important to know that we take utmost care with the animals that we work with. We keep to the standards of strict ethical guidelines, both by the institution, WSU, and by the government itself. We take very good care of our animals. We monitor their health every single day and make sure for any sign of illness or anything else we notify a veterinarian if there's any problems like that.
Again, we're emphasizing that we really only use them, animal models, because we think that they are the only way to really answer some of the questions that are very important to understand in improving human health and human well-being. If it wasn't for that aspect, we wouldn't use them. If there was any alternative, we would definitely use that. In fact, we do often use computer modeling and how to trying to understand neural networks, and so that we can limit that. And again, really want to emphasize that we use their care is utmost to us, utmost priority, and we use them as little as we can. In our research is for many similar reasons as with the mice. They're very highly social animals, or mammals, I should say specifically. And the bats we have, they live in colonies of up to 100, and they use their auditory communication mechanisms to really communicate well with the conspecifics or other bats in the colony. And because of that, and because they echolocate and they can fly, their auditory system is so highly developed that it's a really great model to and same as Jenny was saying, to translate it into humans. Okay, it's important to start at basic model levels, but it's also, we should look at complex model systems such as the bats, which is why we study both the bats and the mice. Their wingspan, they're this big, and this is the guys we have, and they're fruit bats. I'm going to show you what they eat. I think I have some fish. They eat apricot nectar and peach puree. So, and this is an example of it. We make it up in a giant tub.
And these guys are known as leaf nose bats because they have a cartilage protrusion on their nose that helps modulate their echolocation calls.
Sort of like radar. They take a tone, they make a sound, they emit it, and then that sound is going to bounce off the surface and comes back. And then their brain processes it and creates this mental map, essentially, of where things are depending on the sound. So they can fly in the dark. Most birds can't fly in the dark.
Are those ones like holding each other?
Which one?
Those are the
yeah. So yeah, that's a mom and her pup. The pup is a bit older, and so he will probably latch on and nurse occasionally. So the cool thing about these guys is that they have 2 pups a year, one at a time. But when they're born, they can hear fully and they can see. They're fully furred, and they weigh 1/3 of the mother. So if she weighs 15 grams, the pup weighs maybe 6, and she will fly with him.